everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact M&S Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top there's a address bar. You need to type down M&S Bank and enter it. And from here, you need to select this top website. And once inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to select this help here in the top right. And from here, you need to go to this contact us. And once inside this contact us, you can simply scroll a bit down. And if you have any issue with your credit card, loans, or club rewards, you can simply select that. And from here, you can simply get this number here. You can dial this number, and the lines are open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for verification and never share your PIN, password, or security codes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.